Hi guys, welcome back to that video. So Kizz made the CEO of UBA, United Bank of Africa, to dance to his recent song titled Cough, the Odoyu It single. Yeah, like these were the men always enjoy this. So even though they have very tight schedule or busy schedule, when it comes to the end of the year, they find that's time to enjoy themselves. Yeah, they say you don't miss business with pleasure, so they know what they're doing, they know how to create that little time, but they make use of it well. Like they utilize that small space they have for enjoyment. So Mr. Toni Elumelu was seen dancing to Kizz song Odoyewu alongside his wife and I think his daughter also. So before we get into the video of that, guys, if you're new here, hit on the red subscribe button below, subscribe, turn on post notification, set it to all so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another interesting video like this. And also let me know what you think about Mr. Toni Elumelu's dance step in the comment section. So guys, enjoy. Thank you guys for watching the video from beginning to the end. I really appreciate you guys for doing that. And if you're new here, you know what to do. Hit on the red subscribe button below, subscribe, turn on post notification, set it to all so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another interesting video like this. And also let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I'd like to know your opinion about all of this in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share. That's how to support me on this space. I really appreciate you guys for doing that. So guys, I'll be signing out now and I love to see you guys in next video. Stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.